Oh, hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Man, it is a nice day out. Perfect day for some Leinenkugel's Summer Shandy. Boy, that's a summer beer if I ever did taste one. Today, I'm inspired to do some chicken wings. We're having some family come over. I'm gonna do 10 pounds of chicken wings. It's about 90 wings total. I've been inspired by Chef King Fresh and Shotgun Tube. You guys are awesome. If you haven't seen their channel, check them out every Wednesday. It's Battle of the Wings between those two. They make some awesome freaking wings. So they inspired me to do this big wing order for our guest tonight. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna make them. They're not gonna be seasoned. I mean, I'm not gonna put any sauces on them when they're done. We're gonna have sauces around. I'm gonna make, you know, a buffalo sauce, Memphis honey sauce, honey garlic sauce, just some other sauces. And then I bought a couple little ones, a jalapeno ranch if somebody wants to sprinkle this on there, and some ghost pepper wing sauce. But the other sauces we're gonna make, barbecue sauce, just whatever anybody wants to put on their wings. They can try them all if they want. So, like again, Chef King Fresh and Shotgun Tube. If you haven't seen their Battle of the Wings, go check them out every Wednesday. And I don't know if you'd seen behind my head or not. Check that out. A Man Kitchen Recipes flag. That was made by Custom Flag Man on Instagram. You can contact him or Custom Flag Woman. They did an awesome job. They're only 25 bucks at this time. He always runs specials, it seems like. I got the buy two get one free, so I got two of them, and then I got one for my my wife's business. So that worked out really great, very affordable, and hey, they look great. They'll look better in my new cover, but they look great right here. Also, Meaty Mike always uses duck spray. So Meaty Mike, if you haven't seen his channel, go check him out too. But Meaty Mike, I'm gonna put duck spray on my chicken wings, and we're just gonna eat up some wings tonight. It's all finger food tonight, so all right, let's get going. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to these, and then I've got my pellet grill set at 250. I'm using the pecan mesquite hickory blend, the classic blend. I know it's chicken, I should use fruit wood, whatever. I like a stronger smoke on my chicken, and I really love those pellets, and I've been using them a lot lately. So anyway, let me show you how to do this. So the first thing I did with these wings is I laid them out on our cookie sheets with some paper towels underneath, trying to get all the excess moisture out. And we want to get them dried out as much as we can. Okay, so I've got my wings here. And what I'm going to do with these wings, I got them on trays. I'm going to leave them on these racks so it's easier to move around. I've had these out for a while. I've been letting the skins get dry. You don't want them to be real wet. So with that, we are ready. I'm going to spray them down with some duck fat. Put a nice coating on there. Okay, now that I got the duck fat all sprayed on there, sorry about that, I had a glitch. I took some baking powder and garlic pepper, and I'll show you what I did there. But okay, so this is very simple. I took an old bottle, spice bottle that I have. I've got my garlic pepper. Get out of the way, bottle. I got my garlic pepper, and I've got some baking powder, not soda, powder. And all I'm going to do is add a teaspoon of baking powder to this container. We'll just put it in there, and then I'm going to grab my garlic pepper, and I'm going to shake in probably about 2 tablespoons worth to go with that 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So you just pour it in your jar, whatever you got. You can put it in a bowl if you want. I just figured a shaker would make it easier. And that's it. We're going to put the lid on, shake it up, get it out, get it on the chicken. We're going to sprinkle this on the chicken. All right, that looks about good. Now we're going to get these into the smoker. All right, let's get these in. This has been running for about 20 minutes, so Should be pretty leveled out. What I am going to do is every, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, I'm going to come out here and if I can get these to fit. I thought they fit. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to rotate these around maybe every 20 minutes. I think I'm going to leave them on the smoke about an hour as long as they're not done yet. So anyway, we will see you, I don't know, maybe I'll show you the swap around in about 20 minutes. 243, 246. I did come out here about 10 minutes ago and I moved everything. Put these up on the top shelf to let the air flow a little better. So, looks like they're doing okay. They do have a ways to go. I'm not going to rotate them. I'm just going to leave them like they are. Okay, 1 hour in. That's upside down. $134, $38. So see, they got a ways. Dang, look at that flag. Woohoo! Okay, we are actually 2 hours in. Now, normally, if these were right on the grate, we would have been going. But being on the pans and being so many at one time, what do we got going here? We're 150, 156. So to speed this up a little bit, because everybody's starting to show up, I'm going to turn this up to 350. I want to get these to about 165. I'll turn it up to 300. When these get to 165, then I'm going to crank it up to about 400 and go about 15-20 minutes and kind of crisp them up and finish them off. So we'll be back. Okay, moving it up to 300. Brought the temp up in about 25 minutes. I already checked it, but we'll do a double check. 163. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to crank this up to, I think we're going to do it to 400. Okay, putting this on 400. We're going to let this go for about 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes at 400. Look at that. Oh, very good. Yeah, I'm going to get these off. Company's already here. You know they're good. Check, got my other probe here. Ooh, that's hot. Ah. 180, ooh, 200 on that one. These are wings, so that's totally fine. All right, we're gonna get these off and go enjoy them. Oh yeah, look at that. 90 wings, that's about 10 pounds worth. Done perfect. We're gonna get some, everybody gets to choose their own sauce, and we're gonna go enjoy these. Okay, now here's my buffalo sauce, my Memphis Honey Gold sauce, and my barbecue Dr. Pepper and honey sauce. All three of these were delicious. I added them 3 each to 9 pieces of chicken, and we're gonna enjoy them. Okay, man, this is obviously the next day after the wings, and I gotta tell you, those wings were amazing. Done on the Pit Boss. I smoked them for, man, it took like 2 hours at 250, but I had the pans in there and the heat underneath just wasn't coming up through. It would have taken probably an hour, but anyway, they turned out amazing. Everybody loved them. They ate them up. The sauces were awesome. I can put the ingredients and everything down below on those sauces. I did a barbecue. I did Sweet Baby Rays with honey and Dr. Pepper. I thinned it out with Dr. Pepper. That was amazing. That was for the people that didn't want spicy. I did a Memphis Honey Gold sauce, which was not real spicy, just had a little bit of spice from Frank's red hot sauce. And then I did a regular buffalo sauce, and those were the 3 main ones. And then, like I showed you, I had those other 2 bottles. But man, it was a great feast. We had, I think there were about 10 people here, family, and it was awesome. Everybody loved them. Thanks again for the inspiration from Chef King Fresh, Shotgun Tube. Their Battle of the Wings on Wednesdays is awesome. I mean, I've watched and seen all kinds of wing videos, and everybody's always seems to turn out really great. And then I was looking back, and I hadn't even done a wing video yet, so what a good way to do my first wing video with 10 pounds of wings. Like I said, it was about 90 wings. It all came out amazing. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.